Motorola is just months away from returning to the flagship smartphone segment after several years away. The device in question is called the Motorola Edge Plus, and, as revealed by XDA developers today, it will be joined by a cheaper version marketed as the Motorola Edge. In the images we published last month, the curvature of the display wasn't that clear. That's because we only had images angled from the front. This time, our source has shared photos of the Motorola Edge taken from multiple angles that clearly show that the device has what many call a waterfall display. The Motorola Edge handset sports waterfall display, similar to Huawei's Mate 30 Pro. Additionally, it'll feature a 3.5mm headphone jack and expandable storage via a microSD card slot. Also, this smartphone features 2340 into 1080 pixel resolution, with a 90Hz refresh rate and a single-hole punch cutout with a 25-megapixel front-facing camera. The back of the handset sports a 64-megapixel primary shooter, a 16-megapixel wide-angle, and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera. It also uses a laser autofocus and dual LED flash. Additionally, the smartphone has an optical in-display fingerprint scanner. The Motorola Edge also has a Snapdragon 765 processor, 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, and a 4500 mAh battery. To be clear, the Motorola Edge is an upper mid-range handset, whereas the Edge Plus is the upcoming flagship. The Edge Plus, on the other hand, will feature a Snapdragon 865 processor, 8 or 12GB of RAM, a 108-megapixel primary shooter, and a 5000 mAh battery. With the cancellation of Mobile World Congress back in February, it's unclear when the company will launch the device. And that's it, guys. If you enjoy such tech-related leaks and rumors, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I will be updating you with such news. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.